Hi everyone, and welcome back to World of Warplanes with Tully Swimmer. I had plans to do another video, but as it turned out, it ended up with me having 2 hours of video footage, and I had no idea how I was going to cut that down. So I'm going to keep it short, simple, and stupid today, because today's topic is why I'm an idiot and or a complete noob at this game. I've made a bunch of complaints in previous videos, and I'll talk about those in a little bit when I get into a battle. So, things I've done today. Got this BF-109B, German Tier 4 light fighter. I'm going to work it. I'm going to work on upgrading it. And we'll get into the game and talk about why I'm an idiot. And also you'll get to see that I'm not really very good at this game at all. So, Tier 4, looks like I'm going to get stuck in Tier 5 battle. Of course, yeah, you know, happens. Oh no, I'm not going to get stuck in a Tier 5 battle. It's one of the nice things about having a matchmaker with this few people. You kind of know what your matchup's going to be before you actually get into it. So it looks like it's going to be Tier 4, Tier 3. And we'll see. I've tweaked some controls, adjusted some settings, done a whole bunch of different things, and you'll see. So, in previous videos, I mentioned that I really, really wish there was a system in place where you could view absolute as relative to sea level and relative altitude. Turns out you can. You got to turn it on in your HUD. And so that's idiot move number one, noob move number one. I also figured out over the weekend you can map keys to do certain things. Like, let's see here. Everybody knows W is boost that kills your engine. Yeah, sure. Well, anybody who's played this game. I mapped D to be kind of a yaw to the yaw to the right. I don't know what that means. And this is yaw to the left. That's kind of backwards almost. To me it is, at least. Maybe it's not to people who actually play flight simulators. Oh, pull off this way, try to get behind them. Trying to not die this fast. Okay, good. They don't appear to have tracked me, so I'm gonna come around behind them and oh, I don't want to come around behind the FW. I always end up getting killed by the tail gunners. Yet my tail gunner and my FW never gets killed. Oh, that's just lame. Still my kill there. Anyway, so yeah. Okay, he's diving away from me. I'm gonna keep. Oh wow, there's a ton of fighters over there. I think it looks like there's a whole team went over there. So anyway, I've also changed my mouse sensitivity. There's some stuff in there. Wow, this game is gonna go well. I can tell right off the bat. Oh yeah, I could also do a barrel roll to avoid crashing into somebody. Oh, that was epic. That was pretty freaking sweet. And oh, of course we ran. Okay, back to the garage. Back to the hangar. Garage. Hangar. Same difference. In the interest of keeping this short, I'll just jump right back into battle with my FW-57 to kind of show you why else I'm an idiot. And then I'll take out another couple planes and talk about War Thunder versus World of Warplanes. Because there's nothing War Thunder players like doing better, I've found, than taking a massive shit all over World of Warplanes. Because they think it sucks. Because they're expecting it to be realistic, and it's not. And if you're expecting World of Warplanes to be realistic, you're expecting the wrong game, and you should be playing War Thunder. If you expect it to be a, oh, I want to sit down and play a little flight simulator and shoot some planes out of the sky game, yeah, that's what it is. So, it's also not been around as long as War Thunder, and I think it wasn't being developed before War Thunder was. But, anyway, funny story, originally Gaijin, people who make War Thunder, wanted to use the name World of Planes, but I guess there was either A, a lawsuit, or B, they decided that they were going to try to expand it to include ground and sea, which they're working on. I think The closed beta goes for War Thunder Ground Forces goes live soon, and they're doing some really stupid in-game challenges to determine who gets it. Anyway, we're not playing War Thunder right now, so I'll stop talking about it. So, a couple other things I found out. Shift key is, I think it's strafe mode. No, this might be bombing mode. I don't know. H. Well, I must have mapped those keys wrong. Hello, F2A. How are you doing today?
Target hit.
Have some DPM. So apparently, if you fly out of the area, autopilot's engaged, and it'll automatically bank you back into the area. No. Okay, so yeah. Good to know that's what that does. Ah, and I tried to get the kill there, but this is not meant for dogfighting. So I'm going to go on a bombing run after I take out a couple of shots of this guy. Oh, that's not going to happen. So shift is that, and we're going to use a revamped bomb to be right mouse button, so I can more easily bomb
Enemy
targets.
headquarters destroyed. Enemy anti-aircraft
So-
fire lost accuracy.
Oh yeah, bomb reloads. So you can see how this sometimes goes red, right? Well, that just means you can't drop a bomb, because if you think about it, the whole idea of a bomb reload, which I mentioned in a previous video, I was waiting for my bombs to reload. Yeah, that was just me being an epic idiot. Bombs don't have to be reloaded. They just have to be flying straight for them to... get some shots on this guy.
Target hit.
Back with fire. I'm gonna try to roll away. Oh, I did just get away from him. See if I can level out in time to drop this bomb here. Nope, that's not gonna. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. See, now I'm just, now I've done it, now I've done it.
Our headquarters is destroyed.
Oh, that would have been an epic dodge, but I got killed first. I had 3 ground kills. Yes, and bombs do not have a reload time. Now that I know that, I feel like a moron. Anyway. Moving on. Yeah. Reloading bombs, among other things. Play another game in this, see if I can get it in before this thing automatically stops at 10 minutes. Oh look, it'll be tier 2 it looks like. That makes me, no it won't, no, it'll be tier 4. Well, well, I wait for this to play back to the whole War Thunder, World of Tanks, Wargaming, World of Warplanes, World of Warcraft. No, just kidding. War Thunder. I've tried playing it. It's not as easy to pick up and play as this game is. It's just not. It's meant to be much more realistic. And I played Ace Combat 6, and I do remember there was a simulation, quote unquote, version and a arcade version. I always ended up playing the arcade version. Oh, and I completely forgot I was in a tier 4 aircraft. So maybe a tier 4 battle isn't so bad after all. Oops. National Park. Second highest plane on my team. Might just be because of my name, though. Yeah. But I don't know. Like I said, another complaint I've gotten is the graphics on this. And other than that little bit right there, that actually kind of looks pretty tacky. But how much graphics are you really expecting in a flight simulator? I mean, the sky, that little lens flare thing you do there, that's pretty nice. Clouds are pretty decent. I mean, yeah, War Thunder is more. They've spent more time working on the environment, because they are planning on expanding their game to be a. They are planning on expanding their game to be include ground combat. So Okay, so G is a toggle actually between bombing and okay. So there's some. Nope, nope, nope. Another thing I've learned in the short time I've been playing is you never, ever, ever want to head off the lead of a lead fighter in a pack of fighters because you will have a million people. Okay, so now somebody's picked me up, so now I'm gonna outmaneuver them. And oh dear. Oh, come on. And that's why, because you just absolutely get destroyed with... I've got, what, 3 fighters on my tail shooting at me? And there's nothing I can do there. I mean, look at... I got swarmed. That was my own fault for not really paying attention to where I was going. Oh well, I got the video done in under 10 minutes. Boy, this map looks familiar. Seems like I was just here. Oh wait, I was. Anyway, back to last. This is gonna be the last video clip because I actually have things to do today other than play this all day and make videos. Surprisingly. Yeah. What I was saying earlier about War Thunder and World of Warplanes and stuff, you can't compare them. I mean, War Thunder has a much more random damage thing. Like, oh, look, one shot came through your canopy. Oh, look, it killed your pilot. Sucks to be you. But that's how it works. That's how real life works.
Good hunting.
And it's one of those things where it's just like, are you looking for realistic or are you looking for arcade? Because you're comparing apples and oranges. Not all flight simulators are created equal. Not that this is really supposedly a flight simulator. I think it's the AAA, which means like anti-aircraft arcade or something like that. Something to that effect. Why am I doing this? Oh, crap. Yeah, okay. We're going to go bomb, because I like bombing things. And I want to get out of the sky before I get shot. I did give my tail gunner a new gun, because this previous one was pretty crap, I'll be perfectly honest. Ah, here's an AA gun. I don't like AA guns, they're annoying. Here we go. AA gun. Boom. I might try for a run under headquarters. Yes, headquarters, there you are. Still a mile away. So, back to the whole reloading bombs thing. While I get shot up by anti-aircraft fire, that's really quite ineffective. Because there's nobody back here. I'm gonna drop... I just dropped 3 of my remaining 4 bombs. And as a result, I get the headquarters kill. Which is pretty sweet. I haven't got too many of those. I'm gonna bank around, come back to the battlefield. Maybe try to hurt their anti-aircraft a little bit. There's an anti-aircraft. Yeah, see, I'm not really meant to be doing that, faking on. So, because I got the headquarters kill, I've been much credit to team. It would be funnier if I was flying a Soviet aircraft because CF2. But so six ground kills now, and I'm getting, I don't know what the hell's shooting me, but I don't really care because it's not another airplane. That Hawk's gonna wreck me if I try to. Nope. I'm gonna nope out of there and. Actually, I might just screw it. I'm going to try to climb out of here. So I dropped all 600 pounds of bombs I was carrying. Yeah. Dropped all 600 pounds of bombs I was carrying. And now I'm going to try dogfighting in a heavy fighter. Which is theoretically possible. Yes, I know I'm losing control of my aircraft. Yes, I'm increasing my airspeed. Thank you very much. You're being massively useless.
Target hit.
Last enemy aircraft. Oh shit!
Destroyed.
Woof. Woof. Almost crashed into my teammates there. And I'm getting run around in circles by this hawk here. It's probably coming from a different angle. But do a barrel roll. Did a barrel roll because I can. Also, barrel rolls are awesome. And oh, there's a mountain in my way. That could have been bad and rather embarrassing. Oh, I didn't get the kill. Alright, all enemy aircraft destroyed. I got 6 ground kills in the process. The other FW-57 got 5, so that was a really good game. Probably, actually, might be my highest tier game ever. 850 XP, 21,000 credits. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. Hi everyone, and welcome back to World of Warplanes with Tully Swimmer. This video is all about, well, told you last video that I was going to be borrowing a joystick from one of my coworkers. I've got the joystick, so let's see about what play is like. I set it up to be joystick yesterday. Fire, launch rocket. It's gonna be that one. Okay, good. See this. No, not left mouse button. That's stupid. Yeah, I honestly I've not tried playing it. I just got it set up last night, installed the drivers and stuff. So let's see what a battle's like in it. Yeah, BF-109B. Why the heck not? So this is a Thrustmaster something. It's a Thrustmaster T-Flight HOTUS X. No idea how old it is. It looks like it was probably a few years old. But so it's got a lever on the left hand side, and it's got the joystick on the right hand side, and this joystick can actually twist. So let's see how this plays out. I'm not hugely confident that I'm going to do very well with this, but it'll be fun anyway. So I figured out that the lever will do thrust. I didn't even know how to do thrust when I had the keyboard, so that's an upside. Alright.
Good hunting.
Okay, so pulling down does actually... I've never actually played a joystick controlled flight sim before. Oh, no.
You are losing control of your aircraft. Increase your airspeed.
Get control back. Okay, oh god. Oh, I mean, I do feel like a total badass because I can pull a trigger and shoot. But oh dear. Maybe jumping into tier 4 with this isn't the best idea. Maybe I've got a different aircraft. Something a little bit maybe easier. Yeah, sure, why the hell not? My A5M. Granted, this is a super sensitive aircraft, so I'm not I'm also not really greatly confident about this either. Especially if I get put into a tier 4 battle, which it looks like I might. So the big thing it's a tier 3 that I've seen that I didn't really think about when I was using the mouse is when you turn, you can bank, and then you have to pull back to make the turn. Because if you bank, you're still flying forward, but you bank and lift the nose up, that's when you turn. That'll be interesting. I was going to do World of Tanks with this, but unfortunately, World of Tanks, you can't set up to use joystick. I do have a trackball. Maybe we'll do a World of Trackballs video, just for the hell of it. Thumb-controlled trackball. That'd be hilarious. Possibly. Okay, so, nose up, boost on, climb for some altitude, keep my thrust up because now I can't. Oh, no.
You are losing control of your aircraft. Increase
So,
your airspeed.
If I twist it, it just turns. Oh god, what is happening? Oh no, that's level, I don't know why this altimeter thingy, or not the altimeter, the horizon view angle thing, I don't know what that's called. Doesn't seem to keep up with my aircraft. Oh no, oh dear, nope. Yeah. Oh dear, I gotta pull up. Where'd everybody go? Oh crap. Looking at my mini map, trying to. Oh dear, that's bad. Well, I could do a U-turn really quick in this. Travel a bond because I can. Ah! Oh no. What happened to my plane? Yes, I hit the target. What happened to my plane? Ah! No, I don't want strafe mode. I want, Why am I also all of a sudden zoomed in? No. Oh, that looks behind me. Oh crap. Oh crap. Where am I going?
You are losing control of your aircraft.
I haven't the slightest. Oh, there's the ground. That ground's getting very big very fast. I don't know how to zoom on this. No. This is probably the most disoriented I've ever been playing a video game. I'll be perfectly honest. Nope. That's Where am I going? Oh, that ground got close fast. Oh, holy cow, that's twitchy. Oh no, oh dear. I'm just gonna fly like this. Try to get back to the battle. Oh dear. Too much. Oh dear. Oh dear. Yeah, these barrel roll pretty well, this. Yeah, I have the slightest idea what I'm doing here. Low altitude. Oh wow, I was really low. I need to get back to my regular view. Okay, it looks like my team's gonna win this one anyway, despite me. So I was running out of time on the last battle. I need to fix that camera. There's the last enemy aircraft. Am I gonna even get a shot? I don't think I've got a single shot off on an enemy aircraft. Oh, that crowd's getting very, very large. Oh dear. Oh dear. I don't think I've gotten a single shot off on an enemy aircraft. Nope, I didn't. Wow, that's pretty embarrassing, actually. Need to fix that zoom thing. Settings. Camera. Haha. Yes, JP down. Switch to bombing mode. I'm not even going to use sniper mode because there's absolutely no point in it. It just serves to make me fail miserably. So that's 2 games in that. Yeah. Let's talk about an interesting experience, that's for sure. I guess maybe it's because it's such a, I don't know why, but wow, that's pretty. Sure, I'll take my demon out. Because the Bristols are decent aircraft, the things that come after the demons, the planes that come after the demons, they're decent aircraft. Yeah, this joystick. I don't know what I feel about it right now. It's gonna take some getting used to. And figure maybe after I get a kill with the joystick, I'll feel better, and I'll probably be the end of this video. But wow, I got some World of Tanks I need to play. I do have a bunch of replays saved up for tanks, but I haven't gotten around to actually doing anything with them yet. Alright, this is one that has 8 20-pound bombs, so I'm going to get my thrusts ready. Goose. Gain a little altitude. No.
You are losing control of your aircraft.
Yeah, I know I'm losing control of my aircraft. Yeah, aside from feeling like a total badass when you get to pull a trigger and shoot, I feel like a total idiot. Oh god, that's a plane. Oh god. Oh, plane. Oh dear. Oh no, what? No, that's not what I wanted to do. That's bombing mode. No. I'm getting shot. We're getting shot. Oh, there's a plane, there's a plane, there's a plane, there's a plane. We're getting a shot on him. No. Oh, maybe. No. Ah, crap. Let's try to actually. Pilot's injured. Great. Wings damaged. And I still haven't been able to get a single shot on. Oh, crap. Oh, hey, I got a kill. Okay, that doesn't count. Yeah, that doesn't count at all. BF-109B on National Park in Tier 5 battle. Okay. I think by getting a kill while using the joystick, I may be setting my goals a little bit too high at first. So, how about just hitting another plane while using the joystick? Yeah, that'd be good. Who's got the P40? Looks like that's a popular Tier 5er. What country is that? I don't know. I'll look at the tech tree after this game.
Good hunting.
We're full out of boost. Keep my thrust at a good thrusting level.
You are losing control of your aircraft. Increase your airspeed.
So yeah, it appears that subtle movements are better than oh god, the drastic movements with this. So did I keep him in my target circle? Full hard. Oh, I hit him. And I'm still taking a hell of a lot of fire from behind, but I hit him. It's an improvement. Oh dear. Oh. See, the thing is, like, right now I know where my plane. Oh dear. Okay, well, I hit somebody and I almost killed another person. That's good. I think I'm gonna end on a high note because I've already probably got like 20 minutes of gameplay footage, mostly of me just epically derping with this, joystick thing here. It's pretty ridiculous. So, I'll probably upload a longer video of me playing joystick next week when I'm a little bit better at it, but we'll see. It was fun. Give it that. It was definitely a lot of fun. Oh, okay, fine. One more. P23. P23. See if I can do something in this. It's a tier 2. Maybe I'll get lucky, get thrown into tier 1, and actually I'll be able to not epically derp. So that P40 that everybody was in last game is actually up this tree that follows the P23, which I thought it might be. So, looks like I'm going to head up there next, because apparently it's a really good fighter, I guess. Of course, it's a tier 3 battle I get pulled into. So, subtle movements. Subtle movements are key here, because I think it's like, unless I really want to bank, I just need to like move the stick ever so much. Because judging by that, I forget what that's called, that horizon indicator thing that I have in between my two hashes for reticle and speed, or whatever the hell that is. Yeah, thrust. Get my thrust up to. I'm thrusting at 85%. Oh yeah. 91%. 53%. So this is pretty cool that I could actually use the thrust without using the 99%. Without using the boost and damaging my engine until now. Dial it back. That was weird. I'm probably gonna get shot down by these lead heavy fighters here. I'd really like to not, but wow, another real weird glitch.
Target hit.
Thing is, it's like it's easy to get to figure out where they're gonna go, but it's hard to actually get that aiming reticle into your crosshairs. Hey, I hit him again. And I really got epically swarmed there. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video of me horribly failing at Warplanes because of my inability to joystick. How do joystick? But anyway, hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll definitely be putting up another video sometime next week of me with hopefully a little bit better play on the joystick, but we'll see. I think I'll get the hang of it eventually, maybe, but until then, these should be pretty amusing. Have a nice day.